So welcome to Beans, Brooms and Breading, what's sowing and growing for end of November, beginning of December. This is the square foot gardening at the house, and you can probably see the produce has suffered with the -4 temperatures we had this morning, so we'll have a look. So yes, as you can see here, the Oz lettuce has, look how crispy that is, with the really not got over 0 degrees today with the frost. That's the lettuce. Hopefully we'll get some bounce back. Endive, I don't know, maybe not. You can see just how hard the containers, the soil is absolutely rock solid. So I don't know, we'll see if the endive is going to be a survivor. The pak choi looks a little better. We've got some nice heads here which are just about doing okay, and in these a little bit. We'll take the leaves as and when required. Over there though, the spring onions might just about pull through. There's that bed. A little bit of a challenge, I think. Similarly, the cut back the Florence fennel, so I should really just let these finish and we'll get the new foot section back for spring. The winter lettuce, the Northern Queen, is looking a bit frosted. The celery as well, look how bad that has gone. It's really wilted. I think it might just have been a bit too cold. These are some kale plants that I transplanted in. Very small seedlings, I admit. I really don't think they are. Really don't think they're gonna come through. So again, another planter frozen solid. See how things thaw out. In the little mini greenhouse, the overwintered chilies are a bit sad. I think the frost has got to them a bit too much. Don't think they will necessarily pull through. And we got nothing. Got frozen chilies. Frozen chilies on that one. So they were a very small plant. A very small pepper, even though they were a habanero. Should have been bigger than that, really. I'm not entirely sure I want to keep those ones going. But got one in the house on the windowsill as an actual sort of house plant. These ones I think will let them go. Start afresh next year. Over here we've got just a few little seedlings, some mustards. I think we may have missed the window getting these into the allotment, I think. But I think I might get a few of these planted up if we get a bit of a thaw in the containers. So a bit of a mixed bag. I think that's a mustard there. I was using them as microgreens. Or maybe plant them on. I mean, the soil's still moist and still usable. I'll get those used if we can. All from a very chilly little mini greenhouse at home. Thanks for watching today. If you like the video on what is sown and growing in end of the year, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, press the subscribe button. See if it does that little jingly flashy thing when you say the word subscribe on the app or on the web browser. If you're not giving the video a thumbs up, be grateful if you would. If you want to press the bell icon to be notified the next time you get a video, then press down and ding dong below. Thanks for watching again. See you next time. Bye.